right, let's move on to using keywords, keyword variations, and our 2017 keyword list. So as we've been discussing, keywords are needed in order to connect our content with the end user or the searcher. In the past, SEO was all about keywords, right? So the secret to ranking at the top or #1 in Google or the SERPs was through filling a web page with as many instances of one target keyword as you possibly could. But now that search engines have become so sophisticated, this tactic, which was known as keyword stuffing, has become very outdated, and it's actually penalized by Google. We talked about earlier, there's an algorithm that helps to identify whether or not content on a web page is spammy. That's one of the things they look for. Does this page contain an overuse of keywords, suggesting that maybe the website is trying to trick the algorithms in order to rank #1. So we don't want to do keyword stuffing. How do we properly use keywords in SEO then? Well, the idea is that we create content in order to answer a searcher's intent. And this is done through the use of semantics and keyword variations. So let's just say, for example, someone is searching for customer experience. And they go through the list of search results, but they're not really finding what they're looking for. The meta titles aren't catching their eye. The meta descriptions aren't rousing any curiosity. Obviously, was not metadata written by a Genesis content writer. So they're just not satisfied with the search results. And no one ever goes past page 1 on Google. So what Google decided was that they were going to create an algorithm that worked to try to connect the contextual meaning of a term or what a searcher has searched for with other meanings throughout the web or the data space. So to help connect the searcher to other relevant queries. So let's just say that this person who is looking for customer experience, again, is just not satisfied with what they're looking for. So they scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page right before they can move on to page 2, and Google has placed this really awesome snippet which tells the searcher other related searches to customer experience. So let's just say they think, oh, customer experience strategy. I didn't even think about this, but this might be the information that I'm looking for. So they click the link, and then they're shown more results that talk specifically about customer experience strategies. And so by using keyword variations while we're creating content, we're able to help connect the searcher and to help tell Google what information might be relevant to the searcher's initial query. What other things might be relevant to someone searching for customer experience? So with that being said, let's talk about our 2017 keywords and how to utilize the 2017 keyword list. While this is opening, these keywords will be, or this keyword list will be available in everyone's SEO kits. They are currently going through the translation process, so we will let everyone know once they are available in your localized languages. But for right now, it's just the English version is accessible to everybody. All right, we are really excited to share this list with you. So in conjunction with our SEO agency and the HITS doctors, we've done a lot of research to find the highest searched terms for our industry. And in these first 2 tabs where it says Peer Engage, Peer Connect, and Peer Cloud, you will find our top most strategic keywords. These are our core focus keywords. You can think of them as the primary keywords for 2017. Now, the cool part of this document is that you'll notice all of these links are hyperlinked in both the Peer Engage and the Peer Cloud. And if you click on it, let's just say we'll go with automated routing, it will take you to the automated routing tab. And then in this tab, you will see variations of this keyword. These lists of keyword variations have also been heavily researched and have been found to be terms that people are searching for and landing on our website. They are also keywords that a searcher might see at that bottom of the SERP where it says suggested terms. And so while you're writing your content, it's really important that you use these keywords or these keyword variations as well as your target keyword of automated routing. As a general rule of thumb, we say incorporate 1 to 2 keyword variations while you're writing. And again, this will just help Google match more content on our site to a wider range of search queries, and that will give us more exposure, better rankings, and higher organic traffic and higher conversions. If you want to go back to either one of those first 2 tabs, you'll just click here. And then you will also notice that we've clearly outlined each keyword's related page. So if you're having trouble creating interlinks while you're writing content, you can refer back to this list to find some suggestions on where should you maybe link business optimization. Here's that URL right there for you.